Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Nenana local and long-distance movers near me. You have decided that you no more want to be trapped in this 9-to-5 lifestyle and want to pursue your dream of becoming an actor. The first step you are required to take is to move to Hollywood, California, as most of the major studios where you are going to give auditions. Moving to Hollywood all by yourself can bring a lot of pressure on you. Just the thoughts of moving your heavy objects like a piano can bring a lot of stress, but right now, you just want to be stressed about your career and nothing else. But whether you like it or not, you have to make a shift and take all your belongings with you. Scary. No, it's not. 3 Movers are here to take all the burden off your shoulders. With over 20-plus experience in the industry, we make sure that the hustling process of resettling your objects seems like a fun activity to you. We provide every kind of service regarding moving and resettling, from packing, moving, unpacking, resettling, and even storing your objects for a few days. All services are provided. So you just need to hire us and then sit back and relax while we take care of all your activities on your behalf. Why 3 Movers? We use secure wrapping material. We provide access to wholesome shifting services, packing, loading, shifting, and resettling your items. Never deny any assignment. Active communication. Reliable, fast-moving service. Insurance on belongings. Affordable prices. Punctuality. Licensed firm. Offer last-minute shifting. Trained staff. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.